Good morning, dear students. How are you? I think that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today, I will discuss with you about tag question. Tag question, you know that tag question is the grammatical form which is included in your syllabus for the class 9 and 10. In this case, I have to need to discuss it with you. Firstly, I would like to ask a question. Do you know what is tag question? Can anybody give me answer? I think that you all are knows the definition of tag question, but I would like to clarify it. tag question. Tag question is the question which add with after the main sentence to evaluate agree or disagree of listener. Tag question is a question which add after main sentence for evaluate agree or disagree of listeners. This is called tag question. I would like to give you example. Example: Habib is a good student. This is the main sentence, and we see that after this main sentence we see the blanks, and after blanks we see an interrogative sign. So this blank position we have to need added tag question. Added a question. This question is called tag question. Here is Habib is a good student. Is the main verb. In this case, in this sentence, is placed both main verb and auxiliary verb. That called in tag question is a operator. Is operator. When we will form tag question, of course we have to need use the operator. And if this main sentence will affirmative, of course we have to need form the tag question in negative form. There is this sentence, Habib is a good student. It is affirmative sentence, and we have to need form the tag question in negative form. So is added with not, and Habib is a subject. It's a noun, and we have to need to use the pronoun of Habib. Habib is a male, so we have to need added isn't he. This is the tag. Isn't he? It is tag question. Understand? I think that you will understand. We can form tag question two ways. We can form tag question two ways. One is affirmative way and second is negative way. Affirmative way we will use in the negative sentence. I mean affirmative tag we will form for the negative sentence, such as she is not an attentive girl. She is not an attentive girl. This sentence is negative sentence. So we have to need the tag question is affirmative way. Is she? Here is not, we have no need to add not. Is she? Is she? This is negative. This is negative form. Then affirmative form is Russell is reading the book. This is the main sentence. Russell is reading the book. This is the main sentence. We have need to tag. This tag will be negative because of this sentence is affirmative. Okay? Is operator. So we will use is to form tag question. Isn't Russell is subject and its pronoun is he. Isn't he? It is the affirmative sentence for negative tag. Negative sentence for affirmative tag. The auxiliary verb is the operator of tag question or main sentences. Every auxiliary verb is the operator, and if any sentence will not bring any auxiliary verb, of course we have to need to follow the tense. Which tense is this? If the present indefinite tense, then we will add a tag question with do or does, and if it will past indefinite, of course we will use to form tag question did or operator. Now I would like to give you some information to form tag question. Tag question is imperative sentence. How we will make tag question for imperative sentence? Tag question for imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Tag question for imperative sentence. Don't go out in the sun. This sentence is imperative sentence. Don't go out in the sun. This sentence is imperative sentence. Because of this sentence, express order. If any sentence express order, request, advises, this kind of sentence we call the imperative sentence. How we will make tag question for the imperative sentence? When we will form the tag question of imperative sentence, of course we have to need to use modal auxiliaries such as should, would, could, may, might, etc. If the question will present form, of course we have to need to form the tag. If the sentence is affirmative form, of course we have to need to form the tag question negative form. You have to know the before of my speech. Don't go out in the sun. That is will you? Will you? Because of this sentence is imperative sentence and this sentence is present form. So we have to need here not would, will. Will is the present form of modal and the past form is would. And this sentence is negative. So we have formed this tag is affirmative. If any sentences the subject is one, how we will form the tag question? I mean, if any sentence's subject will be one, O-N-E, one. This one. If one will be subject, how we will form this sentence in the tag question? Example. One should love his parents. One should love his parents. Her subject is one. How we will form this sentence in the tag question? here is operator is should. So should also remain here. This sentence is affirmative, so add should, we will add it negative form shouldn't, and on is subject, so of course we will use on. Shouldn't on. If any sentence bears never, seldom, hardly, scarcely, few, little, etc., how we will form the tag portion of this sentence? Example. Example is, a barking dog seldom beats. A barking dog seldom beats. A barking dog seldom beats. Here is seldom. Here is also seldom. How we will form this portion, turn into tag? This which tenses are belongs to this sentence? Present indefinite. Yes, present indefinite. A barking dog seldom beats. Present indefinite, because of main verb is beats. Main verb is beat, and a barking dog is a subject. So here, not dogs, only dog. So we can say that this sentence is present indefinite tense. And if we find the present indefinite tense, of course we have to need to use, here is operator as do or does, on the basis on subject. On the basis on subject, as the subject is third person singular, so we can use here does. So we can use here does. Does is operator, and this sentence is affirmative, so we have to need to turn this sentence. Here is not a affirmative because of seldom is the negative word. Seldom is the negative word, so we have no need to use here not. So we can form this tag is affirmative tag. Does it? Because of dog is the animal which is not brings any sense or knowledge, so we can say that here it is the pronoun of a dog. It is the pronoun of a dog. Another example, he has few friends. He has few friends. He has few friends. In this sentence we can find that few. Few is a negative word. Few is negative word. So we have no need to use to form the tag portion. Here we have no need to use not. So we can write down here has is operator. So has also used in the tag. Has, and the subject is he. It's also pronoun, and he we will use here. Has he? It's a tag portion. Okay, dear students, no more today. See you again next day. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.